Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create a contact group distribution list in Outlook. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer and log into your account. Wait for it to fully load so all your emails and features are accessible. This ensures that everything syncs properly and you can access all the tools you'll need to create your distribution list. Once your email has loaded and you can see your inbox, you'll need to navigate to the Contacts section. Look at the bottom left part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll see a contacts button represented by a two people icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will take you to your contacts menu where you can manage all your saved contacts and create new groups. Now that you're on the contacts menu, direct your attention to the top left part of your screen. You'll notice a button labeled New Contact Group. Click on this button and a contact group or distribution list window will open up. This is where you'll build your distribution list by adding the members you want to include. In the contact group window that just appeared, you'll see an Add Members button. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with 3 different options for adding contacts. You can choose to add members from your Outlook contacts, from your address book, or you can manually enter new email contacts. Each option gives you a different source to pull contacts from, so select whichever method works best for your needs. If your contacts are already saved in Outlook, choosing from Outlook contacts will be the quickest option. If you need to add someone new, you can type in their email address directly. After you've selected your source and added all the members you want in your distribution list, take a moment to review the list and make sure everyone you need is included. Once you're satisfied with your selections, look for the Save and Close button and click on it. This will save your newly created contact group and close the window, taking you back to your main contacts view. And that's it. You've successfully created a contact group distribution list in Outlook. Now, whenever you compose a new email, you can simply type the name of this contact group in the recipient field, and everyone within that distribution list will automatically receive the email. This saves you time and ensures you don't accidentally leave anyone out when sending group messages. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.